Hi, this is your boy Christopher Harris, Scholar7794. Anime Scholar7794. And today we're going to do, last week I bought the triple feature of Arnold Schwarzenegger movies. One of my top favorite is Commando, 1985. 1987, Arnold Schwarzenegger and Predator. And my all-time favorite hit, 1984, The Terminator. Arnold Schwarzenegger, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna do a full back of it. Yep. This is by MGM, acquired by 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Let's see the back of it. Commando, Predator, and Terminator. Now this was copyrighted 1984 by Orion Pictures, released by Hemdale Film Corporation. It has is the art of the film, owned by MGM Home Entertainment. Now this Blu-ray was released in 2012, which is, if not the best one there is. Predator, 1987. Now you'll get 3 Blu-rays in it. Yep, this is it. This is Commando, Predator, and The Terminator. All these films are rated R, under 17, not admitted without parent or legal guardian. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Like, subscribe me. I will be doing more wallpaper, doing more Blu-rays this year. Till then, peace!